Tired of inhaling harsh chemicals while you're cleaning? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. If you dread chores like cleaning the bathroom because of those chemical smells, then stay tuned. I have a few solutions coming right up right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. Many of the cleaners we use for our bathrooms use bleach and other harsh chemicals to disinfect and cut through soap scum, but this chore doesn't have to be an assault on your sinuses. You can make a great cleaner that'll disinfect and deodorize by simply mixing a 1-to-1 solution of vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Once clean and dry, coat the shower door with one of the many water repellent formulas available designed for car windshields. This treatment creates a barrier between the water and the glass so water droplets run off quickly. That means dirt and soap scum roll right off and water droplets never get a chance to calcify on the surface. So all you need to clean the glass is a soft cloth and water. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.